Hello everyone, welcome to my online class of Standard 4 subject Maths. Here you can see the new chapter, lesson number 1, learning large number from term 1 textbook. Okay, so first we will learn about the learning large numbers. First we will see about the definition of natural numbers. Here you can see when we count the number of objects, articles, we start from 1. The number 1, 2, 3 are called natural numbers. Numbers go on endlessly to build up to large numbers. Okay, next I'm going to explain you about the place value, how to find out the place value of the particular number in this chapter. See here you can see that 70135, this number is there. Okay, here 53,107 number is there. So here we find out the place value of this all of this number. First write down the place value, make one table, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. Then find out the place value of each digit. First digit is or the place value of ones, second digit is tens, 0, one digit is now third digit is 100, means 1, and in the place of 1000 is 3, in the place of 5 is 10,000. Like this you find out the place value of this digit number. This is a national system number. National system, it is very easy system. Next convert this number into words, 53,107. Okay, next go another method. Find 5 digit and 6 digit number on the abacus. Okay, so if you here I'm going to explain you about how we convert this digit into abacus and in the place value chart. Okay, you can see here the place value chart is there and abacus look like this. So here see number is 16,523. First find out the place value of all the number in the table. Okay, next transfer this number in the abacus. Draw one abacus and write the place value also in the each abacus and each line. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. Because the number is the last digit is 10,000 in this number. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000 like this. So 3 is in the place value of ones. So draw 3 balls in this abacus 3. Because 3 is on the place value of 1, then draw 3 balls. In the place value of 10 is 2, draw 2 balls. In the place value of 100 is 5, then draw 5 balls in different color. And in the place value of 1000 is 6 balls, and 10,000 only 1. Like this we find out the number into abacus. Next I'm going to explain you from the exercise how to solve all these things. Okay, so here exercise 1.1 is there. First question is represent the following number on the abacus. The following number you have to represent in the abacus. First ones digit, then draw 9 balls. Tens digit 1, draw 1 ball. 6 digit ones in the on the place value of 1 on the place value of 10, sorry, on the value of 100. So draw 6 balls. In the place value of 1000 is 4, then draw 4 balls. In the place value of 10,000 is 2, then draw 2 balls. So here I'm explaining you another number in the another place value in the abacus. You can write down in this in your notebook line wise. Okay, daily exercise you have to write down in your notebook properly in neat and clean handwriting and make a proper note of subject maths. Question number 2, write the following numerals. This number is given in figure, given in words, sorry, and you have to convert it into numbers, that means number. So this number is given in national number, not international number, 35,446. So write 35,446 like this. Next 47,352. Then write 47,352. You can see this number. We convert the words into figures. Next 65,207. 65,207 write in the numbers. Next is write the number names of the following numbers. Also represent the numbers on an abacus in your notebook. First, the number is given. Very first, we convert the figure. We convert this number into a words. Okay. So write convert this number into a figure 34,528, and then convert this number into abacus. Okay. Like first example. So first digit is 8 and the place value of ones. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So in the ones place, draw 8 balls. Tens place 2 ball. 100 place 5 balls is there. 1000 4 balls and 10,000 3 balls. Here I'm explaining you, and please you just write down in a notebook. We will learn about the system of international system. So here you can see the place value of the international systems. Here there are 3 groups. Here the international system converted into 3 groups. These groups name as ones, and this group's name as thousand, and this group name as lakh. In the ones digit there are 3 more group. Ones, tens, 100. In thousand group there are 2 more group, 1000 and 10,000, and in the lakh group there are 2 more place value like lakhs and 10 lakhs. Here you can say the place value, otherwise you can also say that group. Okay, so you can see clearly the place value and the periods of the international systems. Okay, so now here I am explaining you how to find out the number names and the numbers and the place value of international system. Here the number is given 2468. So 8 is in the place value of ones, and this 6, tens, 400 and 2000. So here how we convert this number into a number names of international. So write 2468. Here 14628 number is given. So here we just put all the number in the place value chart like this and find out the number names of this particular number. So write 14,000. That means this both number is in the second group, right? And these 3 number in the first group ones, and this number is in the second group of 1000. So that is why here we write the 14,000, and this is a place in the group of ones. So write 600. 600 is on the place value of 100. Then here we write 628. Okay, so here 1 2 3 4 or more example is there. You can see and learn how to find the particular number in a words. Next, here you can see exercise 1.2. Question number 1. Look at the given tables and answer the following question. You can see the first Indian system and the table with place value and with periods. Next, international system with periods and some place value. Okay, with the help of this two table, we find out all the fill in the blanks. So in the first question, in the fill in the blanks, 1 lakh equals to dash in international system, 1 lakh is Indian system, and you should find the 1 lakh in international system. Okay, so 1 lakh in Indian system is there, then 1 lakh is converted into international. So what is in the international? So you can see, and in international is 100,000. So I write here 100,000. Next, 200,000 equals to dash in Indian system. Okay, so you can find the 200,000 in international system is converted in Indian system. So what 100,000? Okay, so 200,000 ones, tens, 100,000. This and 200,000 is also there. So in the international system 200,000 is there, but in the Indian system is 1000. So ones, tens, 100,000, 200,000, but the period is 1000, and same in the Indian system is 1000. Then write in Indian system is 1000. Write 400,000 in Indian system in words dash. 400,000 Indian system. 400,000 is international system. That means this. If 1 lakh is there, then you should write the in international system 400,000. If 400,000 is there in the international system, then you should write the 400,000 and convert in Indian system like 4 lakh and write in a figure. Next, D1. 76,000 Indian system is same as the in international system. Question number 2. Write the number name for the following in international system. Here I explain all this question number 2 in my notebook. Okay, so here you can see exercise 1.2 and question number 2 is here. Write the number names for the following international system. First question, the digit is given. Okay, and you are going to convert this number into international system. Okay, so how we write this number in international system? Like this. 42762 5 digit is there. Then write 42,000. This 2 is on the place value of 1000, the group of 1000 periods. Then write 42,786. 700 and between tens and between hundreds add always and 62. Next 900,749. So 900 is on the period of 1000 in international chart. Okay. Then write 900 and 700. This is 700 and in between write and 49. Okay. Next 127,346. So this is the period of ones and this is the period of 1000 in the place value chart of international system. Then write 127,300 in between write add 40. Next here I am going to explain you exercise 1.3 and all the question in detail. Here you can see in my notebook exercise 1.3. Question number 1, write the following number in the expanded notation. 62. Okay, the very first we should find out the all place value of the particular digit. So 9 is on the place value of 1000, 3 is on the place value of 100, 6 is on the place value of tens, and 2 is on the place value of ones. So very first we write from the left side. We solve from the left side. So 9 is on the place value of 1000. Then write 9,000 plus. Then 3 is on the place value of 100. Then write 300 plus. 6 is on the place value of tens. Then write 60 plus. 2 is on the place value of ones. Then write 2. Next question 1047. Here first number is on the place value of 1000. Then write 1000 plus 0 is on the place value of 100. Then write 0 as it is. Plus 4 is on the place value of tens, write 40, and 7 is on the place value of ones, then write 7. Question number 2, give the place value of the color digit. Here you can see one digit is in red color and all digit is in blue color. So question is in the question mentioned, already mentioned about you have to find out the place value of color digit only and just skip all the non-color digit, that means all blue color digit. So here the 6 is on the place value of tens, you can see ones and tens. See 6 is on the place value of tens. Then write the place value of 6, draw one arrow, write 6 into 10 equals to 60. Why we write 10? Because 6 is on the place value of tens. Okay, then multiply 10 and you will get 60. Answer. B question you just copy down in a notebook. Okay, same method from the question number 2. Next question number 3, write the number for the following. Okay, so here the question already in the words and you should convert the number into figure. Very easy. 9,903. Then write 9,903 and you can cross check the place value. Is it correct or not? Ones, tens, 100,000. So this our calculation is correct. Next 35,046. Write 35046 like this. You can write the words into a figure. Next 1,000 more than a 2,049. The very first you just write the particular number 2,049. Write 2,049 and here in this question given 1,000 more than, that means you have to add the 1,000 plus with this digit equal to 0. How many answer is there? 3,049. If you add the 1,000 with 2,049, then you will get 3,049 because 1,000 is already mentioned in this question. Then it is compulsory you should add the 1,000. Next 100 less than the 63,781 minus 100. Why? Because the question in the question given 100 less. So here we subtract with 100. Okay, then we will get 63,081, then 63,681. This is okay. So I hope you all are understand my video. Please copy down all this question in a sequence.